Hey, good people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Thandekile Nkosi, also known as Omathi Nkosi. If you're new to this channel, welcome. Please do click the subscribe button to join the family and also get content of this kind. So today we are having just few precious moments with my sister Wenzi. Wenzi, please welcome yourself. Introduce yourself.
It's the same. Hello, everyone. How are you? I hope everyone is good. Thank you for tuning in. Today it's Mother's Day.
Yeah,
Oh,
today
such a
it's
lovely
Mother's Day. What a
Usuku
special.
lwembokodo.
Amen. Usuku lwembokodo. So, Wenzi, as today it's Mother's Day, we're just from church, good people. So yeah. What can be a special message ongayisho to mama out there, from mama basingili who are raising ingane zabo sithi Zulu bayibambe ngamazinyo? What can you say? What can you say to them to encourage, to empower them? By the way, people, I think I did say on my previous video that Wenzi is starting towards social work. Okay, she is starting social work. So as part of social work, our job is to empower people. Hence, I'm asking her what is a special message she can say to mama who are raising ingane zabo as single mothers. Abanye, they are single mothers not just because baba bengane bekho, but they are absent fathers. Siyaye sithi ke mase sikhuluma with my other friends sithi bawo dead alive. They are alive but they just dead. So so what can you say? Ngathini nje kumama okhulisa ingane zakhe kanzima, who is going to watch this video, who is watching this video? What can you say to motivate, to empower and encourage them?
Well, firstly, it's not, you don't have to put it like who are raising it in Ngendlela. All mothers, rich or poor, it's all hard work. Just being
it's
a
all
mother
hard
on its own is
work.
hard work. Raising a child is never like a done job. You can never say no, they are grown enough. I'm still a child to my mother. I still cry on my mother.
Last born, by the way, you went good people.
Yes, so it's never a done job. What I can say is that keep doing whatever you're doing. You're doing a great job. Yes. You are very recognized.
Definitely.
And what they said to their church, they said everyone is always longing for their mother. So a mother's love is very precious and very important. Always know that as a woman, even to those who don't have children of their own, just know that you are a mother to those around you. Exactly. A mother is a woman. A woman has that thing inside of her that's always longing to help, to reach out to other kids. So exactly. Being a woman, all in all, happy Mother's Day to everyone. And please keep giving that love to all the children and adults. Adults too.
Thank you, Wenzi, for that message. Really, ukuba umama akubizi ukuthi ena ube biological parent. Mothering, Wenzi nje umama to my kids, just from birth. She has been umama kubo and she has been doing a great job. And ukuba umama ayikho manual. There's no manually ephumayo ukuthi ena this is how you're supposed to do things. Whatever that people say probably on the internet or wherever encwadini, nabo bakususela from their own experiences, bakhuluma from their own experiences. So there is no perfect mother. Akekho mama perfect. We are all trying and we are all doing our best. So Big up, guys. Continue doing that great job. Know that whatever you are doing it for the Lord, because it is God who has entrusted you with that with that soul.
Trusting you with that soul.
Yes, who is trusting you with their nganele. So to stepmothers who are raising ezinye ingane, yenza kahle, either kukhona okubonayo noma ongakuboni. Do it for God.
Do it as it is your own.
Yes, as if from the heart. So thank you.
Oh, Kaiser Chiefs, by the way.
Kaiser Chiefs won, and we are Kaiser Chiefs friends.
Yes. Peace.